Today I'm going to teach you how to make sausage gravy. This is one of our very favorite breakfast meals. This is a great meal at home or when you're camping. And it's very, very simple. We're going to start off by browning a half pound of your favorite type of ground sausage. I brown my sausage on medium-high heat until it's browned all the way through. It needs to be fully cooked before you proceed to the next step. Now you can see that the sausage is completely cooked through. Now if this sausage was more fatty, then I would pour off some of the grease, but you can see that this sausage does not have a lot of fat on it, and so I will not be pouring off any of the excess fat that's left in the pan. So I'm going to be using that to actually make my gravy. So what I'll do next is I'm making gravy enough for 2 people, and so I'll be making about 2 cups of gravy. So what I'll do for 2 cups of gravy, I'll be putting in 1/4 of a cup of flour. Now that I have my flour in there, I'll just mix it until all of the flour disappears. You can see that it's coating all of the sausage. And I'll get it mixed in really well. So it's completely, you no longer see any of the white flour. So all of my sausage is now coated with the flour. And I still have my heat on medium-high. And I will cook it like this for about 5 minutes. You don't want to add your milk until your flour has cooked thoroughly in this pan. Otherwise, your gravy will not have a good sausage flavor. So you get that sausage flavor by cooking the flour with your meat. So we'll just let that cook for a little while, and we'll come back and add our milk. If you are wanting to make more gravy than the 2 cups that I plan to make for just the 2 of us in our household, then you would add more flour and more milk. So the rule of thumb when you're making gravy is for every cup of milk, you want to use 2 tablespoons of flour. And so once you've started, you need to know how much you're making before you ever put your flour into your sausage, because you cannot add the flour later. So like I said, I'll be making 2 cups of gravy, so I used 1/4 cup of flour. So now my flour has cooked in the sausage for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding 2 cups of milk. When you add your milk, you want to pour your milk in all at one time. Now I've added my milk, and I'll just stir. And as that milk heats up, it will eventually begin to simmer a little bit. And so I'm going to just continue cooking until my milk thickens to the consistency that I like. And it's the flour that you add that makes your milk turn into a thick gravy. And if you like, you can add some seasonings while you're cooking your gravy. You can add salt and pepper, or you can just add it on your plate. You can see the milk is simmering, and as I run my spoon through the gravy, you can start to see that they're starting to have some trails form in the gravy where my spoon went. And that's how you can tell when it's starting to thicken. And before it gets too thick, you'll want to turn your burner off, because when you turn the heat off and you let your gravy set for a few minutes, it's going to continue to cook and it'll continue to thicken. And so you can see how thick my gravy is. I think I want mine a little bit thicker. So we'll just let it cook for a couple more minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. And that is almost perfect right there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my burner. And when I spoon the gravy, you can see how much thicker that's getting. And that's all there is to it. It's an easy, simple recipe. Great for camping, great for at home. You can serve this on biscuits, or you can serve it on toast. A lot of times we like it on toast just as well as we like it on our biscuits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. We'll see you on the next adventure.